Welcome one and all to Imagination Exploration. What is Disney Adventure World? Well, let's take a look. It's a big expansion and reimagining of the second gate at Disneyland Paris. The expansion roughly doubles the size of the current Walt Disney Studios park, which is being renamed to Disney Adventure World when the expansion opens on March 29, 2026. The expansion side of the park starts right here at Adventure Way. It's the gateway to all of the exciting worlds of the park. Here's currently one attraction located where pawns tangled spin. There are also many beautiful gardens, like the Toy Story Garden, which acts as a new entrance to Toy Story Playland, or the Gazebo Garden, which is very beautiful and it has a small gazebo for many different shows. And there is also the Rapunzel's Garden, which is the biggest garden of them all, featuring a small lake, as well as the Rapunzel's Tangled Spin attraction. Let's now take a look at this beautiful building. Inside you're going to find the Regal View restaurant. This is where we are heading now. Here you can see beautiful dishes, and on our way to the restaurant we are going to see pictures of many different princesses as well as 2 ornamental vases. Let us now take a look at the main dining room. There is also the Regal View Lounge, which is also incredible themed and very beautiful, which features also those huge windows in the back where you can see World of Frozen as well as all of the worlds around Adventure Bay. Let us now take a look at the World of Frozen. It's truly spectacular. Now we're going to the Nordic Crowns Tavern, which features Scandinavian dishes, as well as a very beautiful Scandinavian-inspired interior. And it features also many hidden references and details to the Frozen universe. Let us now ride Frozen Ever After, which features this beautiful outside queue where you can also see Elsa's Ice Palace on top of the North Mountain. World of Frozen is set during the fictional celebration of the Snowflower Festival. In the queue, you're also going to see Oaken's Cloakins, which is a replica storefront from the Frozen franchise. Here you can also see Oaken in his sauna, as he's drawing Olaf. Now you can see one of the first show scenes on the ride. Those scenes are huge and very impressive. It feels like you are in the movie. I mean, let's take a look. Here you can see Elsa as she is building her ice palace. It's very stunning, especially in person. You need to see it and you need to ride the ride. It's very beautiful. Adventure Bay is the new heart of the park, and at night it transforms into a huge show space with an incredible nighttime spectacular featuring all the latest technologies such as drones, water drones, pyrotechnics and huge water screens. It's an incredible show. The name of the show is Disney Cascade of Lights. Thanks so much for watching, we hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss anything new.